Yep. Alex, do you see the light just kicked on?
Yeah.
When the door is open, so you can keep on track to what you're doing like you're on night times.
Okay, put your phone down. Put
I
your
know.
phone down. Two hands.
I
Put
know.
that in. Okay.
Just like that. Just put it in, right? And just shut the door. Right? Right, Alex? The light turns off once you shut it. Let's see. Do you want 45 seconds or a minute or what?
I love you. You know that, right?
Yeah. What do you want? Let's see. Do you want 45 seconds or 30 seconds?
45 seconds sounds good.
Yeah. Did it so good? I am a microwave expert, right?
You are.
Right?
I haven't even used the microwave because you're using it. You know how to use it.
I'm very smart at knowing how to work it, right, Aunt Allison? It has a light from the inside so you can see at nighttime, make sure everything is working right. Remember there's an inside light so you can make sure, so you can focus on what you're cooking, right? And what you put in here. So that's how it works. It heats up and the fan that cools it down. And the bees when it's done, and just open the door. Yeah, because that's how it works.
Hot, William?
Yep,
Is it? Feel it.
that's good. You know why? That's how it works. Heats up, right? Alright, that's it.